Hello everybody. In this video we will learn that how we can change the mesh of a player car with our own desired body. So in this case I have this complete vehicle pack and we can select our desired model. So from here I will just select the for player car I will select this sedan for example, and here we can rotate this like this, and then we will delete the tires. We don't need the tires, we will just delete the tires and open prefab and then delete the tires. Okay, so after that what we can do, we can hide the body mesh of that car or player car. Also we have this position, transform position. We can just copy the same position, copy component, and then we will add the same position to sedan, paste component values, so it will be placed right above the main car. Okay, so now we will move this to right side and we will just hide the mesh of this object. So we will select the body and then we will hide this body, or we can also delete the body. So I will just hide this body. What we can do, we can just delete the body. So before that we will rename this prefab to sedan player car, whatever name you can assign, and then we can just delete this body and we have to open the prefab. Then we will focus on the object. Then we will delete this. Then bumper, we don't need this as well. Then door we don't need. Then exhaust, yeah, we don't need this. Also wipers, rear bump, and hood camera. Hood camera we will just leave it, I don't know, maybe this is the RCC camera. So I think everything is gone now. So this thing, badges and fog light glass, front bump, headlights. Yeah, actually we have to delete these lights. These are the body lights, so we can delete these. Then left glass, right, and delete this as well. So now I think everything is fine and we have only the tires. Okay, so now we will just select the car and again we will just copy the position, and then here for sedan, yeah, we will make it right above the car. So now you can see the position changes, and okay, so we will place it manually, no problem. So like this we can adjust it now. Okay, so you can see a large difference. So what we can do, we will just move the wheels. So for wheels transform, we will select the front left and front and rear left, and also we will select the colliders as well. Okay, front left and rear left, and then we will move it right here. And then we will select these tires, front right, rear right, and we will move it. Little bit outside. Then we will select the these back tires, rear left and rear right with colliders, and then we will move it here. Okay, so now position is in place, and then we will move sedan body inside this sedan player car, and in chassis we will just place it in chassis. Okay, so now we will move the lights at right position. So we can select the lights over here inside lights section, and here there are brake lights. Okay, we have selected the backlights, and then we will arrange the position. Okay, that's great. Now we will select the front lights. And then we will position them. We will move these lights a little bit like this. We can definitely adjust these lights as per our need. So that's it. Now if we let's save the game, and then we will play the game, and hopefully our car is ready now. So let's see. So that's nice. Now you can see that lights are also there, the brake lights, although the positioning is not fine, so we will just adjust the positions. So now our car is absolutely fine and it's working nicely. Okay, so that's nice. We have created the first car. We have created first car, and we will adjust these brake lights. I will adjust, and then that's it for this video. We will just make it prefab, okay, so that we can use it later on. So I think reverse light and brake light. So you can see the brake light position is not fine, so we'll move it over here, okay, at brake light position, and also this one to this position. So now hopefully the position will be fine, and other lights you can manually adjust. So let's see. Yeah, now you can see that we have brake lights at right position, okay. So that's it. We have created the first player car. Now we can make it prefab. So I will place this prefab inside realistic car controller cars. So I will move here, prefabs, and inside vehicles we have a new vehicle now. So I will just place it like this, original prefab. Okay, so now we have a new car. That's it for this video. Next video I will create just some cars, and then in next video we will move further. Goodbye.